Right, so I've got this GHD Air 1.0 hairdryer in. It's come not working, so I'll plug it in. Let's have a see. Right, plugged in. Nothing at all, but can hear there's something rattling around, so unplugged. Right, back again. Didn't have my microscope recorded. Right, so you've got let's have a look. You've got a cover here, you've got a cover there, that's a screwdriver underneath. Pop it off, drop it on the floor, another cover here, flat screwdriver, just get under it, prise it out. Then you need a T, I think these, security bit. I have got the security bits, but the issue being the pip on these screws, GHD, in their wisdom, has made the pip a little bit too big, so they don't fit into a standard security bit. So as you can see, the pip, there's a little screw, there's a little pip, you probably can't see it, I'll get it on the microscope anyway. I use a 2.5mm flat bit that gets into the pip, sorry, that breaks the pip and allows it to go in and unscrew it. That's them done. Alright. And it screws right. Take it off from the bottom and it'll prise off. Alright. Right, one of the issues here is that fan blade has broke off. Nah, one of these fan blades has broke off. That's what's rattling around. So take the fan off. Look at all that air wraps around. Oh, that's horrible. That bearing's gone. Might be alright, let's have a look. Right, undo these two screws over on that one, undo that, undo that one, no, get it in. Do that one. You know, so because I'm going to strip it down completely, I'm taking these cable clamps off. So 2 screws, undo them. Again, they're security bits, but there's no pip on them. But 2.5mm flat headed, that gets them off. So take that out, bit of a mess, bit of air in it and fluff. As you'd expect, it's an hairdryer. It's been used for X amount of years. There's the fin from the fan, the fin fan. There, that's broke off. So the thing to do with your fan is, all you can do, bin it, it's gone. Right, let's find out why it's not working. I always, it needed taking apart anyway, It could just be the fuse in the plug that's gone. I always check the thermal fuse. Now the thermal fuse on these is there. It links there to there, so you can put, don't touch your heating element because that'll give you a false reading. Go on to there and then onto the other side of it, which is here. Your thermal fuse is fine, so that's fine. Your thermal fuse. Next thing to check is, let's do the simple thing. Let's check the plug. It's probably the fuse in this plug that's gone. That's fine. So we're alright there. Another thing I check in these, because I've seen them go, is a brake. There. There it is, look. Nice brake. And the cable. So, I need a new cable on it, because these, let's see, I got, yeah, yeah, let's have a look. I've got some, there we go, got some spares here. Right, these are ones that I've cut from others. So what I'm going to do, it's still unplugged by the way, cut that off. Desolder your live and your neutral. Best off tucking your yellow wires away. Look at the state of that, give that a clean. I'll just use a bit of IPA. Alright, clean out. Clean that. Clean your neutral. Right. These tend to take quite a lot of heat, purely because quite a big pad is that, to be fair. We sold a sucker when I find it. There we go. So where's my blue tack? My blue tack on. Let's mount that. Set the brown out. There we go. Clear that all. Set the neutral out. Clear the out. Tight the spares in there. And it does. Alright. So having your neutral out. Keep them strippers, make a knife. So your brown one's always your longest one. have a look. Perfect. Right. Just tease it. Perfect. Brown wire. The correct length. Snip it. Oops. Should have kept all of that. Yeah, that'll do. Blue one. Oh gosh. Didn't mean gosh, I meant shit. Anyway, right, hit them. Click that. Get rid of them. Let me strippers out. Don't need a lot stripping. Tin them up. Be careful on first. So with these, I'll show you all. So what I've done with these, the old ones, I've slit it down here with my knife to get right, because these are heat bonded to the cable. Only up top here though, down here they're fine, it's only up top. So I clip it there with my knife all the way down, and then I can reuse them. That's what I do then, put that in, put that up, fix it to wherever, and then once it's fixed in with the hairdryer, I can just glue that back together. And I know now it looks a little bit of a mess, but once that's glued together, you can't even notice, and it's strong. Or you can just buy a new hairdryer. Like, I don't know how much these go for, 90 quid, 100 quid, something like. So I always put the brown one in first. What are you doing? Come on. Right, brown one in first. Turn that up. Through the hole, not too far, just want it just so it locates. You don't want to go all the way through, just want it just so it get an hold. There we go. edge come out. Brilliant. Let's get that in first. Let's flood it. Perfect. Let's get that. Let's get that done. Get that one in. It's a bit warm, that. Yes, you don't go all the way through. Hiya, baby, alright? Yeah, I won't be long. Just doing a video. Well, it's alright. They are quite bad pads, these. Just take a lot of heat away. Perfect. There we go. What's that done? That one in there, route it round where it needs to go. Alright, excuse the noise. This might need tip cleaner. Alright. Brown one's always worse. Sorry, live is always worse, purely because it's a bigger pad. Really. You know, it's in. So again, just put it in the hole. So locate it. That's probably fine. Flip that. Perfect. Right. Just making sure there's no fluff or anything around the heating element. That'll start burning when we switch it on. Mortar, let me have a check. Right, with the mortar, we get all that air off around it. I think. That's fine, that's alright. It might squeal. It's one of them, you don't really know until it's started up what's going on. Right, so to get this back in, tweezers. So you got holes in your circuit board. You got one there, one there. They correspond to a hole in the case, which is not a hole, a little locating pin there and there. Can't really see it, I guess. Yeah. So them holes on your circuit board, just clip in. One there, one there. Your cold shut switch fits into its own little area here. Clips in there. Check it. It's working. Your cable strain relief. You've got a little ridge here in your case, and you've got that going around. You've got this one as well, but it goes into here. So you put that in first. That holds it nice inside. With your cable goes, this is your post to screw it down to screw your top cover down to. So you need to go around that and down, and then you need enough. Let's see. So that fits down there nicely. That's alright. That fits down around your post, and then screw the cable down. The cable clamp, sorry. Just locate that in. Your other one that goes in. There and there. That's in, your cable clamps in. Put your strain relief into the slot. Perfect, job done. Put your motor in. Don't have your red wires. Your red wires don't have them twisted, otherwise you'll run out of space to put it in. They're purely, let's have a look, there, just fit into there and then screw down. One there, one there. Put them in, screw them down. Why are you doing that? Why? Jesus, right. Start that one. Start that one. There you go. Don't come over them. They're on the plastic. Again, your switch will come out. Put your switch back in. Is it working? Yep. What I find as well with these is all your cables need to go into that little slot cut out there. So look, there's a little cut out there. Make sure all your cables go down there. And also there's that pip there. Make sure all your cables are like that behind the pip, because if they're this side of it, they're going to get trapped when you put your cover on. Make sure your switch is located. What I do while it's here now is I check my switch out. have a look at the contacts, make sure, let's get these out, make sure they're clean. So I'll lever that side, and then I get this side, lever there, and it just pops out, he says. God. Let's just switch out. So with your contacts here, lift this one up and this tweezers. Let's have a look. You see, a little bit on the dirty side. So, get my little grinding pen, clean that contact off. Also as well, don't forget to clean the underneath of that as well. Should be enough. Check your other speed as well. So these are a bit dirty. So these are your speeds, slow speed, fast speed, or vice versa, I'm not sure. So give that one a clean out. Alright, don't forget the other side of your switch, with your contact, that'll be fine. There we go, switch, back on. Again, do your heat setting switch as well, your heat selector. Normally they're alright, to be fair. So get in, open your tang up, off we go. They're a bit dirty then this time. Normally they're okay, to be fair, because people just leave it on one heat setting, generally. And that little clean up. You can see it's not as bad as the speed selector switch. Give that a nice clean up. And on the underneath. Job done. I need a new fan. Let's see if I've got any. Nope, they're not on. Right, let me have a look at the fans. Don't know where I've put them. Where have I put my fans? Anyway, I'll check that out in a second. I'll get one out in a minute. Let me put this back on. Just make sure everything works. So again, what you need to do when you're putting this back in is this bottom bit. Your top needs to fit. Let me have a look into this slot here, going around. Yeah, that's where the top bit needs to go. That's why I always put the bottom in first. Make sure that's located, and I line the switches up. Put the bottom in, line the switches up, and in a second put these in. I want to be taking it apart again, but just for now, put them in. Right, put the bottom in first, line your switches up, get it there. Oh, where's that not going? There you go. Check your switches. Perfect, right, plug it in. Let's see. Right, so look. There you go. All I need now, I'll find my fans and I'll be back. Right, found them after loads of messing about. Right, unplug that. Right, so there's a little bit of play in there actually, so I'm just a bit curious now as to whether or not I will put a new bearing on there actually. Now when I'm putting these on, there we go. Sorry. Right, when I'm putting these on, oh dear, that looks worse. Right, start again. When I'm putting these on, I don't put them all the way on. I don't put them like that. I put it so it's about there. So a little pip showing on it. The reason behind that is, the reason I don't put them all the way on, yeah, I don't put them all the way on, is it needs that little bit of movement up and down, because when it's on, the force of the air, it will push it down slightly. So if you've got it too far on, it's not, it's just gonna wear everything out. Right, so the fan's on, that's nice and tight, that's in, they're all fine, the switches are alright. Again, put the bottom of that in first, yeah, then line your switches up, get it to here, and then give it a tap on, screw them back down, screws in, there we go. Again, I use a flathead, a 2.5mm flathead, it grips it perfectly. There we go, one, you can top one in, oh, drop your screwdriver. So, and you can see that's in nicely. Tighten that down. Right, there we go. Put your covers back on. I will give this a clean after, but no one wants to see me cleaning a hairdryer, do they? Where's my other one gone? There it is. That one at the bottom. Let's plug it in, see what happens. See what happens this time. Right, there we go. so you repair GHD 1.0 hairdryer when it's not working. So just an update on that hairdryer. I'm going to be just gluing this gland back together. So the glue I use is that one, as always use that. It's a brilliant glue. So all I do, I just put a bead of glue all the way down there. Make sure it gets in there too. And then I've got a cabled tie here. That does that. Let me try and put a cabled tie up here. I've never done the cabled tie work before on these. Let me see if that closes that up. That closes that up really well, actually. Just do with one more. I'm wasting table ties, aren't I? Let me see. So, as you can see, oh, maybe not. Let me get a little bit of light on it. Where's that gone? As you can see, I've put glue down the same cable tie there just to bring that together. Cable tie up there. It's just oozing out. So once that's all nice and dried up, you won't be able to tell anything. You won't be able to. It's just like new. So that's the way I do it.